here at, what station is this? It's Malwangon.
And as you
Malwangon
know,
in Yangon, Myanmar downtown.
and you know,
And what is this place? Train station?
Station, yes.
and as you know, I did a dumb thing. I put my finger in a pencil sharpener.
And did it get sharpened?
Yeah.
Well, now you have a boo-boo? Ouch. And you took your Band-Aid off?
Yeah, I never. Cause Mama told me about that one time.
Hey viewers, do you see it?
Yeah, ouch. So did you guys just get off the train?
Yes.
What did you think? You haven't been on the Circle Train in a long time.
Well, this is my opinion, not for everyone to be angry about. That it's so to me because of all the dirty things around.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you didn't like it? You thought it was an old... It's not...
Germany
It's
or
just
America,
old, you know?
Yeah. But if it's like Germany or America, I would be like, yay.
And here I can show you the train tracks. Come closer.
Okay. What are all these... do people live by the train here?
Yeah.
Here, can I show? Here is a village if you go, and that's the downtown quiet city.
Okay. So was this a nice, fun thing to do today?
Yep. No. Yep.
No? Yes or no?
Yes, so.
Okay.
And that looks like that house is near the water.
Not on water.
And as you know, we have
Papa Cameo?
Very dirty river.
as you know we have
Well, not everybody's lucky like you, and that's why it's good that you joined Trash Hero, right?
I should join the lake.
All right. Can we say goodbye?
and as you know why we're saying goodbye is
It started to rain, so you got to
yeah.
say bye now.
Bye.
So make
Let's go get our rain jackets.
Make sure to subscribe, press the notification bell
So you don't miss it.
so you don't miss any videos. And
Can we blow a kiss?
remember to put 50,000 likes.
Not 50,000. Our goal right now is 1 million subscribers.
1,000.
So try to make our
How about
day.
100? Let's just get to 100. Bye.
And we want to do